morning friends, this is SS Jadhav from GS Tutorials. Today we'll see mathematical concept which is having addition, multiplication, division and subtraction at the same time. The students are having some trouble by solving those type of problems. We'll see one example. First, how to solve those type of problems and how to remember that is which concept is first, which is second, which is third, which is at fourth place. Just remember one word, that is BODMAS. Each letter is having some its abbreviation. BO stands for bracket up. Okay. D stands for dividation. Means problem which are having dividation, multiplication, addition, subtraction, we should do the dividation first. Next one, that is M. M means multiplication. A stands for addition. And last, S stands for subtraction. Means we should do the subtraction at the last. Okay, we will see one problem. That is 9 plus 3 into 21 divided by 7. This problem is having addition, multiplication and the division. So by following this rule, we should do the division first. Okay. In the next step, we'll reach towards the 21 by 7, that is 3. Okay. 9, this plus 3 into, this kind of answer comes as 3. Okay. So in the next step, we are having addition and the multiplication. Okay. So in the addition and multiplication, the multiplication comes first. So we should do the multiplication here. Means 9 plus 3 into 3, that is again 9. Finally, we're having the answer, that is 18. So by following this rule, we reach towards the correct answer, that is 18. This is the simple rule we should remember to reach towards the correct answer. To see more videos in case of basic mathematics or the historical concepts, and most importantly, that is subject from the mechanical engineering and the civil engineering, that is applied mechanics, strength of materials, theory of machines, and the elements of machine design from mechanical engineering. Please like and subscribe my channel, that is JS Tutorials, to see more videos on that.